Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm a French photographer and I went to Munich in April 2024. Here is Germany and here is Munich. I've made one vlog for each day of this trip, so that will be a total of 8 vlogs. Today is day 1 where I'm going from Rennes to Munich. First, I'm taking train number 1 from Rennes to Paris. Then the metro from Gare de Montparnasse to Gare de l'Est. So, I'm in Paris, Gare de l'Est, and I have 2 hours to wait before my next train going to Munich. So what could I see around here that's not too far away? Oh, here is the Basilique du Sacré-Cœur de Montmartre. So I want to see if I can see Montmartre. It's not far from here. Well, it is far from here, but can I just see it from far away? So that's my challenge for today. Get as close as possible to the Basilica of Montmartre. I can see the top there, but there are all the buildings right in front. I will need to walk some more to reach it. Et voilà, la basilique Montmartre. Challenge completed. Okay, I'm not getting closer because I have a train. Déballage, marché Saint-Pierre, Halle Saint-Pierre. Yeah, it's really the paradise if you're into fabrics, textile and all that. Okay, and now I need to go before I miss my train, so I need to walk back to Gare de l'Est. So I'm back at the train station, Paris Gare de l'Est. And now I have train number 2 from Paris to Munich. By the way, Munich is the capital of the state of Bavaria in the southeast of Germany. In German, Munich is München, Bavaria is Bayern, and Germany is Deutschland.
La Deutsche Bahn vous souhaite la bienvenue à bord de ce TGV à destination de Munich.
Munich has many interesting museums, centuries-old buildings and green spaces, which is what we're going to see in the following days. Thank you for watching this tiny little video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share and subscribe so that you can see the next videos. Bye, see you soon! I've made a little book with my favorite photos from this trip. Feel free to have a look at it on my website or on my Ko-fi page. Thank you!